So in this slide, we will start with the SWOT. So once a company has done its internal analysis and an external analysis, now it will get an info about both the internal strength and weakness and the external opportunity and threat. So now what they can do is they can bring all the information and put it in the SWOT model. So once they have put it in the SWOT model, it becomes much more easier to visually see like what are the strengths, weakness and opportunity and threat. So now they can sit and rationally think about how to use their strength, their weakness, their opportunity and threat in such a way that it creates a nice strategy. So SWOT analysis helps us to understand the strength, weakness in the internal environment and opportunities and threat in the external environment. So it helps us to know how do you make the most of your strengths, overcome your weakness, capitalize on your opportunities and manage your threats. So usually the box looks like this. You always have the strength and weakness here and the opportunities and threats here. Strength and opportunities are positive, weakness and threat are negative, strength and weakness are internal, opportunities and threat are external. So what we'll do is we'll try to apply this model to a company like Pepsi. So you sit down and write so what could be the SWOT for Pepsi. So then you can look at the video. So if you take the strengths of Pepsi, it might be the brand name, the secret formulation, the taste, the large scale production. If you take the weakness, they usually exist in the drink segments alone. The opportunity is they can go to more countries because most countries are becoming richer in nature. So wherever the countries are becoming rich, the people in that country would start to consume more of Pepsi than water. So at that point, Pepsi can make money. And also they can show variations that can be shown in the existing product also. And the last one is the threats. So people are becoming very health conscious in nature, so they might start to avoid this kind of Pepsi and Coke. Heavy advertisement from Coke. So Coke is their main competitor, and they might start to advertise heavily, so that can be a problem. Or the more general thing is they might get competition from other forms of drink. So the Pepsi's real threat is not only Coke but also water, milk, cool drinks, any energy drinks, okay. Anything which is non-alcoholical drink is a competitor to Pepsi. Because we drink Pepsi when we are thirsty, we might also drink any other liquid non-alcoholic drinks when we are thirsty. So Pepsi's real competitor or bigger competitor is not Coke, is actually the non-alcoholic drinks. So once a company knows like what is this strength, weakness, opportunity and threat, now they have to plan how to reduce the weakness of the company, okay, and how to minimize the threats and how to exploit the opportunities with the strength that is available.
You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn and in Facebook page, so you can visit at these places. If you just type Sham Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.